Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now. Yeah. Everything I want might be a miracle. I know I'm never coming down. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't got a care in the world right now. Higher than the ceiling, breaking through the clouds. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah, I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know, it's so incredible. I'm finally letting go. Up, up and away, yeah we go. I found my flow right on time, and now I know what it feels like to shine like gold. Up, up and away, yeah we go. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't got a care in the world right now. Higher than the ceiling, breaking through the clouds. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah.
Get the puppy's attention with a treat and practice the sit for putting equipment on and off.
Sit. Yes. Good girl. What's that?
Your puppy has been practicing their heel on the left-hand side. It is important to spend the first week practicing with your pup in a low distraction environment so you can both get used to each other, like inside your house, yard, or on the driveway. Once successful, you can start practicing in a medium distraction and eventually high distraction environments. When your pup does something right, mark that moment by saying, "Yes," then reward with a treat. Here I am practicing in the house. Stop when I stop. Sit. Yes. Reward with a treat. Let's go.
Sit. Yes. Good girl. Good job. Let's go.
If your pup is misbehaving, mark that moment with a harsh sounding loud to indicate that you disagree, then find an alternative behavior and reward the pup for that alternative. No. Good girl. Good girl. Place, sit, down.
Place. Sit. Down. Yes. Good girl. What a good girl. Let's go.
At this young age, having your pup's attention and adding visual cues is even more important than your verbal words. Let's watch those hand gestures.
Place. Sit. Down. Yes. Good girl. What a good girl.
You can use any two objects in your house to practice steering: left turns, right turns, stop, and go. A common mistake for puppy owners is to assume that their pup is able to focus on obedience in highly stimulating environments without any practice at home first. Since we can't expect a puppy to heel perfectly in a high distraction environment, take the long line to the park, let them play, explore, and hang out. Keep practicing leash skills when you can be in a quieter area or environment. In this clip, we started with 15 minutes of playing and exploring on the long line before expecting the pup to focus. The tie-out is a critical part of our program and should continue to be practiced at home. It's important to remember to reward the behavior that you want to see more of, like calm and patience. Avoid rewarding barking, whining, or jumping up. For more detailed information regarding tie-out, please watch the link provided to you titled, "What is a tie-out?" To make sure your pup does not turn into a door dasher, you should practice wait every time you are going out your front door and/or gate. Your pup is still very young and will struggle with impulse control at this age. For now, when you are in a new environment, start small each time. Build the stay one baby step at a time, like this. For crate time, you are going to make sure there's a chew in the crate that your pup enjoys. Get your pup's attention, toss a treat in and say, "Kennel," close the door, turn on ambient sound like classical music or white noise, and then leave. For additional information regarding crating, please watch the video link provided to you titled Crate Tips. When you're ready to start your walks in a medium distraction environment, like walking in a quiet neighborhood or a peaceful park, remember to start your walks with this 1-minute check-in. 1-minute check-in. Put your pup in a heel and reward with a treat. Walk 10 to 15 steps, right turn. Walk 10 to 15 steps, left turn. Stop, walk, stop. Reward, repeat. That 1-minute check-in is quick and easy and will get your pup engaged in listening to you, which is a great way to start a walk. Leash greetings. Don't do it. What is the secret to a well-behaved dog in public that can behave completely neutral? That means no pulling, barking, or lunging as other dogs pass on by? The secret is to practice neutrality. One of the most important skills you can teach a puppy isn't how to play with every dog they see, it's how to remain neutral around them. Many people think a friendly dog should want to greet every dog on a walk. But that's actually how leash frustration, pulling, barking, and reactivity often begin. When puppies learn that every dog is a potential playmate, they start focusing more on other dogs than on their handler. Instead, we want our puppies to learn that seeing another dog is no big deal. They can notice the dog, stay relaxed, and continue walking politely with us. Neutrality doesn't mean your dog is unfriendly. It means they can make good choices and stay calm, whether another dog is across the street, passing on a trail, or sitting nearby at a cafe. A dog that can calmly pass other dogs without feeling the need to greet, play, pull, or react is a dog that has more freedom, more confidence, and is much easier to take anywhere. The goal isn't for your puppy to love every dog they meet. The goal is for them to be comfortable, calm, and focused on you when other dogs are around. If your dog is currently too excitable to pass on by, then step off to the side and calmly put them on a foot tie-out. This does not mean they cannot play with other dogs and have friends, just not on walks. Walks are for focus and good manners. Create safe, appropriate opportunities. Play in your yard with a friend's, neighbor, or relative's dog. Go play in their yard. Set up puppy play dates. Attend a daycare where they have dog socialization classes that have supervised play. The goal is to create balance in their life between work and play. Work equals calm, focused, and neutral. And then make a conscious effort to fulfill their natural need to socialize with other dogs through play. How to use the break command on walks. For regular walking, we start with shortening the leash, heel, getting your pup's attention and putting them in a heel, own the walk, walk with tall body posture, and walk on with purpose. Here, I am shortening the leash. I get the pup's attention and put him in a heel. I say, let's go, and I'm walking with a tall body, and I'm walking with purpose. This shows that it is time to work. It is difficult for young puppies to concentrate for long periods at a time, so we can break it up by frequently offering a break. Stop and have your pup sit. Enthusiastically say, break. Lengthen the leash, adjust your posture to casual, change your walk to simply meandering or standing still. Here I stop, ask him to sit, break. I'm going to step off the path, lengthen my leash. I use casual body posture. I'm just casually meandering, wandering, or standing still. Back to work. I'm going to get his attention, start in the heel. I'm going to say, let's go. I have tall body posture, and I'm walking with a purpose. If your pup is too fresh and silly to concentrate, you may want to find an area with just a little space to start your outing with a break and get all the wiggles out. After that, your pup may be better able to concentrate.